Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I would like to share an easy way to begin your Jira learning. If you're new to Jira, and you're not sure where to begin, this course is the starting point. Once this course is completed, you will be a master in Jira. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like our work, like this video, share it with your friends. This course will ensure that you use Jira in an effective manner in your project. I organized the course in 7 sessions. Number 1, Introduction to the course. Number 2, Jira Basics. Number 3, Jira Project Introduction. Number 4, Jira Issues in Detail. Number 5, Finding Issues in Jira. Number 6, Working of Issues in Jira. Number 7, Conclusion. Session 1, this session focuses on the introduction to the course and the full course details. Session 2, this session focuses on the Jira basics. For example, number 1, what is Jira? Number 2, what are issue types in Jira? Number 3, how to customize profile. Number 4, how to customize dashboard with widgets. Session 3, this session focuses on the Jira project introduction. For example, number 1, what is Jira project? Number 2, how to create Jira project. Number 3, introduction to Kanban and Scrum. Session 4, this session focuses on the Jira issues in detail. For example, number 1, what is epic? Number 2, what is story? Number 3, what is task and subtask? Number 4, what is bug? Session 5, this session focuses on finding issues in Jira. I will discuss about how to find issues by using basic search function, along with multiple real-time examples that will be used in your projects. Session 6, this session focuses on working on issues in Jira. For example, number 1, how you can transition the issues. Number 2, how you can complete the issues. Number 3, how you can link the issues, etc. Session 7, this session focuses on conclusion of the course. So, don't wait. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and learn how to use Jira effectively in your project. Thank you. We'll see you in tutorial number 2.